Spray foam is simple once you get the hang of it, but even the pros can run into problems sometimes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the most common issues and exactly how to fix them. Whether your foam's coming out weird, curing sticky, or you've got a clog, don't worry, we're going to fix it. So, you sprayed your foam, you waited, but hours later it's still soft, tacky, or gooey. This usually means the foam did not get a chance to cure properly. That could be because the layer was too thick. Remember, we always want to stay under 1 inch per pass. Or because the surface was too dry, oily, or cold. It can also happen if the can wasn't shaken enough, or the nozzle was starting to clog. Here's what to do. First, don't try to spray over the sticky stuff. It won't harden later. Scrape off that uncured foam, clean the area again, and lightly mist it with water. Then grab a fresh can, give it a solid 30+ second shake, and reapply. Thin layers only. Let that layer cure fully for 24 hours before you move on. Next up, you pull the trigger and instead of fluffy foam, you get something lumpy, wet, or super thin. This almost always comes down to temperature. Spray foam needs to be warm. Around 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit is that sweet spot. And it has to be shaken like crazy. If the can is cold or the mixture's off, you're gonna end up with sad little blobs that don't insulate properly. Here's how to fix it. Warm the can up. Let it sit in a warm room for 15 to 20 minutes if needed. Shake it again for 30 to 60 seconds. Swap in a fresh tip if needed, and do a quick test spray. You sprayed it, it looked great, then you came back later and saw that it had pulled away from the wall, cracked, detached, no longer sealed. What's up with that? Chances are the surface wasn't clean enough. Dust, grease, or old paint can really mess with adhesion. Or maybe the surface was too dry. Remember, this foam loves a light water mist before you spray, and if the layer was too thick, shrinkage can cause it to pull back as it cures. Here's what to do. Cut away the affected foam, clean and mist the surface, then reapply in a nice thin layer and let it cure at a stable indoor temperature. Did you ever squeeze the trigger and nothing comes out? Or maybe it sprays crooked or sputters weird. That usually means that the nozzle or gun tip is starting to cure inside. Foam hardens quick, and once it does, it can clog up the entire flow path. This happens if you pause for too long between sprays or if you reuse a nozzle that's already been sprayed through. Here's how to fix it. Remove the nozzle and attach a fresh one. Spray the included cleaner through the gun to clear out any half-cured foam. Wipe down the threads before installing a new can. That one's really important. And rule number 1, never reuse a nozzle that's already had foam run through it. Once and done. This one's messy. You screw on a can and suddenly foam is leaking from where the can meets the gun. That's not what we want. Usually that's caused by misaligned threads or a can that wasn't fully tightened. Here's what to do. Number 1, start by fully closing the gun. Twist that rear knob all the way clockwise. Screw the can onto the gun upright 2 full turns at least. Then use the black tabs on the can to tighten it down completely. Number 4, if you see any foam leak during removal, don't panic. Clean that mating surface immediately using the included foam cleaner. Wipe dry and reattach carefully. Hey, a secure seal means better control and 0 waste. Always clean cured foam off the threads if you're reusing the gun. Look, spray foam isn't difficult, but it does have a bit of a learning curve. Most issues can be fixed in seconds if you know what to look for, and now you do. Keep extra nozzles and cleaner nearby. Warm your cans, prep your surfaces, and always spray in thin layers. In the next video, I'm going to show you what happens after you're done spraying, from cure time to trimming to cleanup, and how to get a smooth, pro-level finish. Thanks for watching.